Now we will discuss how to update a record or how to update a post. So for that, let's go to our edit.php file. Okay, so here I will take the code whatever I have written, all the markup for my add.php. I will just copy this entire code and then I will come to edit and I will just paste it here. Okay, and then I will change it to edit post. Save it. Okay, so now let's refresh. Okay, now let's click on this edit. Okay, here. Okay, so mistake. Okay, so I have left header, include /header dot php. Oh sorry, inc. It's inc. Okay, so now we need to pre-populate the data of that particular post. Okay, so whenever, let's click on this back button. Okay, so when I want to update the post details of the second post, so when I click on this edit, I should get the details filled inside these boxes. Okay, so for that I have to first get the data of that post. Okay, so for that I will copy this entire code whatever I have written for viewing a single post, and then I will come here, I will paste it. Okay, and then okay, here id, where is the, this one is edit. Okay, and here title. Okay, so here we need to have value equals to dollar row of title. Okay, and then here for the select. Okay, PHP echo row. Okay, here title. Okay, so I will use title, and then category. Okay, and then description. Okay, and then value go published on. Okay, now save it, and now let's refresh. Okay, undefined variable PDO. Okay, I have not included my db file. Okay, here config and then db.php. Let's refresh. Okay, now you can see it's displaying all the data of that particular post. So now when I click on this back button, and if I want to edit the fourth post, and when I click on this edit link, it will take the data of that fourth post from the table. Okay, now I need to build the functionality for updating the post. Okay, for that I will write, or I will create another file called update.php. Click on new file and then save it as update.php. Okay, so now Okay, so now when I click on the submit button, it means I want to update the post after making changes. Then a request will be sent, a post request will be sent to this update.php file. Okay, so for that, inside this edit.php, I have to change from edit to update. Okay, because I'm sending a post request to update.php. Okay, so whatever data you are going to update, that I'll take the data and then I will post that data to update.php. Okay, here I will include my db.php file /db.php. okay, and then I check if the form is submit, if set $_post submit ID. Okay, I will get the ID. Okay, so I will take the data. Okay, I will take this entire code from my add.php. I will just copy and I will come here and then I will just put it here. Okay, here I just need to make few changes. Okay, here I need to change this query from insert to update. Yes. Update table name posts set title equals to the title which user is going to enter, comma description, okay, comma category, okay, and then published on published date. Okay, and then I need to use where clause where id equals to $id. Okay, so now I have changed my query from insert to update. Okay, so now everything will be as it is. So now let's just save it. Okay, now let's first check the query whether if I have any mistakes in my query or error in my query. Okay, so now let's come here. Now let's refresh. Okay, PHP post. Okay, now let's click on. So okay, now let's change it to e-commerce. Okay, post 17. Okay, now let's click on submit. Okay, undefined variable id. Okay, so it's not able to identify the id field. Okay, so for that we should send the field id or the information of the id as a hidden field. Okay, so while submitting the form we should send the id of that post as a hidden field. So let's come here inside edit. Okay, and inside this to create an input type hidden where name equals to id and then value we need to send the id of the post $id. Okay, save it. Okay, now let's see what information we are getting. So first let's data array. Okay, id. Okay, so we need to get that id here. Id equals to $_post. Okay, so here I am sending the id of that post as a hidden field. Okay, and here inside update.php I am receiving that id and storing that id inside this id variable. Okay, so id equals to $id, and then title equals to $title, category equals to $category, description equals to description, and then published on equals to published date. Okay, now let's print it. Okay, now let's print it. $data, save it. Okay, and put an exit here, save it. Now let's see what we are getting. Okay, now let's refresh. Okay, so now, okay, undefined index id. Okay, let's see, _post id. Okay, let's come here. id value. Okay, input type hidden, name id, and value id. Okay, so this id we are sending to update.php. Now save it. Type hidden, name id, value. Okay, here _post id. Okay, save it. Okay, now change it to post. Now let's click on submit. Okay, now it's displaying me the id of that post and the title, or the updated title. Previously it was kick.php, and now I have changed it to kick.php post. Okay, and the rest of the things were the same. So now let's change. Okay, change it to e-commerce post. Okay, and then change it to 17. Okay, let's click on submit. Okay, so now it's displaying me the updated information. Okay, now we need to come here. Okay, let's comment all this information. Okay, and now let's save it, and let's reload the page. Okay, so now it's displaying me the id update table, set title equals to kick.php post, description of category. Okay, now let's come here and then uncomment all this information, save it. Okay, now let's reload. Okay, now it has taken me to the home page where you can see the information is been updated successfully. Okay, so now let's change the post details of first post. Okay, so now let's click on edit. Now let's change it to PrestaShop. PrestaShop is an e-commerce platform. Okay, and now let's change it to e-commerce. Okay, and now let's change it, and when I click on submit, you can see the information is updated successfully. All the information gets updated successfully. So I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful and valuable information out of this video. If you like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, and thanks for watching.